Good morning, everyone. In AFL lab, today class we are going to discuss about of your aniline point of fuel. Okay, so aim they are given to determine the aniline point of a given fuel sample using a testing apparatus. Okay, so apparatus and all we are going to use your aniline point test apparatus and sample of fuel and engine oil, that is SAE 20W40. Okay, so this engine oil we are going to use because here we are going to use two types of oil to mixing together. Okay, and thermometer is required. Okay, so as I said earlier, there is two types of a fuel we are going to mix. Okay, so it is that is aniline point is nothing but it is a equal volume of an aniline and oils are mixed continuously in a test tube. Okay, and heated until the two are merged in a homogeneous solution. Okay, so heating is stopped and the tube is allowed to cool. Okay, so the temperature at which the two phases separate out is recorded as a aniline point. Okay, so that aniline point only we are going to measure here. So they are given the set of procedure here how to do the this particular experiment. Okay, so the first step is they are given the fill the sample of a fuel and engine oil each equal volume inside the test tube. So first we are going to fill the fuel and engine oil, both are equal volume. Okay, so equal volume of your fuel and engine oil we are going to fill in a test tube. Next one is see if it is there is high volume and low volume of your fuel is there, means it is very difficult to mix together, right? So how we are going to mix and uh, that is the important thing. So and which particular temperature, so for melt there is mixing together we are using heat treatment process here. That means heat treatment means there is little amount of here the heat we are going to supply here. So how much of the temperature is required for this particular there is engine oil and fuel to mixing. Okay, so that particular temperature is that particular point is they are taken as your aniline point. Okay, so the second step is fill the water is in a heating part. Directly we cannot able to heat your oil, right? So that's why we are using this water also. The water bath is available. So there we are having the coil to heat your water, right? So in the coil we are going to send the positive and negative terminal. So based on that, it is going to be your heat your water, right? So after that heating bath, such the sample of the fuel and engine oil is a test tube is fully immersed inside the water. Okay, now we are fully dipped into the water. Okay, so next one is place the thermometer inside the sample of your fuel. Next one is we are going to paste your thermometer inside the fuel and engine oil. Okay, where we kept at your oil. Okay, so there we are going to inside your thermometer inside the that is your engine oil and your fuel. Okay, now switch on the power so that the sample of the fuel and engine inside the test tube gets heated. Yes, of course, because we dipped in the water bath that is a water bath only, so once the water is heated, automatically the fuel and engine oil also getting heated. Okay, so gets heated up with the help of heating water through the heater, right? So note down the temperature of a sample corresponding to a point at which both engine oil and your fuel sample completely miscible. That is that point is they are taken as your annealing point. Okay, now we can able to switch off your equipment and take down the your thermometer out. Okay, so this is the way to do your annealing point experiment. Okay, so we have to write the result, that is in which particular temperature we are getting the annealing point. That temperature you have to mention here. Okay, so the equipment is it's look like this only. This is your aniline point equipment or apparatus. Okay, so here only we are having the there is your mixing of your oil, engine oil and your fuel, and out surfaces they are taken as your water. Okay, so here only we are going to send it to your heating coil is available, so that automatically the water getting heated, then the fuel also getting heated. So this aniline point we can able to measure. So based on that, I will show you one uh, video also. You just look at this. Okay. 1 minute.
Hello, welcome to the postgraduate program in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning offered by the University of Texas at Austin in collaboration with Great Learning. My name is Kumar.
What is aniline point? Aniline point gives an indication of the possible decay of oil in contact with rubber used in sealing, packaging, etc. Generally, aromatic hydrocarbons have a tendency to dissolve natural rubber and certain type of synthetic rubbers also, and hence their low level is desirable in lubricants. Aniline point can be defined as the minimum equilibrium solution temperature for equal volume of aniline and oil sample.
So this is the
It is
equipment.
determined by mixing mechanically equal volume of oil sample and aniline in a test tube. The mixture is heated till homogeneous solution is obtained. Then the tube is allowed to cool at a controlled rate. The temperature at which two phases of oil and aniline separates out is recorded as the aniline point. The higher aniline point means the higher percentage of paraffin hydrocarbons and a lower percentage of aromatic hydrocarbon. Thus, a good lubricant should have low aniline point.
Okay, so this is the way to do your experiment, right? So after this, I will stop here. Thank you.